You have to, in a business like this, keep making things better, keep improving the system, because other parts of it are going to wear out after a while. People will catch on to this or they'll catch on to that. So you have to, like in any business, have to make things better and better, because that's what else is trying to do.
Now that I thought it through for the night, I think the real means that the responding back time and the real time also we may be able to send in the response real time. I don't think that necessarily means that we can speak back and forth real time after I thought through. So I think the way we need to set this up in our phone agent here is when it starts, it's going to start capturing voice and it's going to emulate a phone call, because if somebody calls, first it should say, hello, this is Moondev, or not say Moondev, let's say hello. And then, so right when I started, the agent will say hello. And then the other person will say something. And then once you hear it stop, the person stop talking, then it sends that text, or it should stream their text to the agent so they can get the response ready and then stream it back. And there should be a conversation going back and forth, just like a phone call. Remember, we're going to emulate it here as on the terminal, and then later we'll send it to our actual phone number. Using cursor here. Cursor here all day. If you don't know how to use cursor, you're falling behind, dude. Cursor. If you don't know how to use cursor to build stuff, you're literally falling behind, big idea guy. Idea guys calling you. Entrepreneurs, dude. Calling you. Idea guys. If you don't know how to code, you're falling behind. Falling behind fast. Come on, B, let's go. Step on the gas, dude. Okay, so you can see I'm starting here today at like 50 responses. 56. Put that down. 56 is my start. I try to hit 200 a day. It's hard to do. Oh, the 7% in the chat, what you see me do. I understand what you want. You're right. Let's make it feel more natural, like a phone call. Agent starts with a greeting, listens for user's voice. When it detects silence, user stop talking and process that chunk. Streams back the response, goes back to listening mode, continues the back and forth natural conversation. There we go, dude. I've completely redesigned the code to work more like a natural phone call. Okay, let's see it. Let's see it, Dan. Let's see it, and then let's be it, and let's just keep stepping on the gas until we are it. Yo, hello from China. What's up, Hassan?
Hello, this is Moondev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Well, I'm looking to learn more about the Algo Trade Camp. Can you tell me about it?
Certainly. The Algo Trade Camp is a program designed for those interested in learning about algorithmic trading. Here's what it generally involves. 1. Learning basics. Participants start by learning the fundamentals of the stock market, trading principles, and the basics of algorithmic trading. 2. Advanced strategies. The program then moves on to more advanced trading strategies, including quantitative analysis, backtesting, and risk management. 3. Practical application. Participants get hands-on experience by developing their own trading algorithms. They learn to code these algorithms, often in languages like Python. 4. Live sessions. The camp usually includes live sessions with experts in the field. These could be seasoned traders. 안녕하세요, 이덕영님. MBC 뉴스와 관련하여 어떤 정보나 도움이 필요하신가요?
I didn't say anything in Chinese, bro.
안녕하세요, 이덕영님. MBC 뉴스와 관련해 무엇을 도와드릴까요? 안녕하세요.
You can see after the first conversation, it went ahead and started speaking a different language to me. That was super weird. I didn't even say anything. Now, also, is there a way to go ahead and make the responses shorter? Can we pass in less tokens or something? And then also, is there a way to start speaking as they're streaming it back? Because we get the text back way before it says it. It seems like it has to say the whole text, it has to print the whole text back and then say it. But I would love if we could say it as we print the text back, then it's more natural conversation. How maybe improving the response time and ability to pause, if that's the question. Any Chinese? No Chinese here, bro. I ain't got no Chinese for you, dude. I got no Chinese for you. I'm sorry. I do not speak Chinese. But if I did, I would say, I love you. Keep going. You can do anything in this world, bro. Much love to you. Just keep it pushing, bro. Just keep it pushing. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. When they tell you to slow down, you step on the gas, dude. I don't care if you're in China, if you're in Africa, wherever the fuck you are. You could do anything, bro. You could do it all, and you deserve it all.
6.0's 10. You've got a lot of enthusiasm and motivation. Keep pushing yourself to achieve your goals. Your speech is energetic and motivational, but lacks specific direction or focus on the topic at hand.
Data here. We're going to go to the data. What is this? Phone agent. Private data? Where did I put that yesterday? Oh, it's here. The knowledge base. Copy path. Remember, each prompt should include our knowledge base so they know how to answer everything, because right now it doesn't seem like she's answering the things correctly. She's not answering them correctly, so I need her to wake the fuck up, okay? Wake up. Wake up, dude. Wake up. Let's get it, dude. Come on. Let's get it, dude. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yes. Yes. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's get it, bro. Yes. Come on, knowledge base. Key philosophies. No, bro. Okay, now I'll update the phone AI. Yes, let's load in the knowledge base properly. I'll modify the code to include the knowledge base content. Say accept here, dude. And then let's say knowledge base. Where is the knowledge base? Knowledge base, here we go. Okay, sick. Knowledge base, come on, blood. I'm just gonna put my knowledge base up in here because she crazy, dude. Yeah, fuck that. Copy. Let's put that knowledge base just in it, dude. Just put it in it. Okay, here's the knowledge base. All the knowledge you got on me, dude. You can have it all too. I don't care. It's all public stuff, bro. All the code is on GitHub already, by the way. So moondev.com will get the roadmap, the Discord, and the GitHub. He says love is key. Nice, dude. I love you. Here we go to GitHub here, and then we can go to agents and get all this code here by hitting the star. hit the star, hit the code, hit the copy, the fork here. And then down in here, you can see the source. We're working on this agent right here. It's all free, dude. Chat agent, no way. The chat agent's on the left side. We got the phone agent right here. Where is it? Where'd it go?
Damn near anything we could think is real. And if it's not, we could create it. See, that's the gift we were
I haven't
given.
uploaded it yet.
To evolve, advance, create. I create my own world.
Lang detect. Okay, okay. Has this ever happened to you guys where Command A doesn't work? Bug. Buggity bug bug. I love bugs. Pip install Lang detect. Thank you, Lang detect. Yes. Pip install requirements.txt. My cursor rules are clearly working, dude. I love you too, anime freak. Thanks for coming through, dude. What's going on, dude? Chilling, B. How you doing? How are you, bro? All right, let's run it back.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
I'm just wondering how much the Algo Trade Camp costs.
The Algo Trade Camp is $69 SMO, or you can grab the lifetime access for $420.
But what do I actually learn?
I can only understand English. Please speak in English.
It still did that weird thing where it said I said this, but obviously I didn't say this. I didn't say anything. Matter of fact, I didn't say anything, especially not in a different language, dog. So what's good, Chi? What? Tell me what's good, Chi? What's good, Chi? What's Gucci, bro? I see the issue. The phone agent is picking up phantom audio or noise and trying to transcribe it. Yes. Threshold. Yes. 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 What are you doing, dude? I'm loving life, bro. What are you doing? I'm loving life, bro. I'm loving life. What are you doing, dude? I'm loving life doing the thing that the title says, dude. I'm just doing the thing that the title says, dude. The title says it all. Then I'm gonna be it all. And I hope that you be it all too, dude, because you could be it all. First, you gotta see it all. So you gotta close your eyes and meditate, okay? Go work out, please. This is time. This is the time. We got AI now, my guy. Most of y'all ain't hitting the gym, and I don't know why.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
I'm wondering how can... Oh, snap. Start recording. It didn't work. Okay. Bug. I don't know why I said that.
3.0 of 10. It seems like you lost your train of thought for a moment, but let's get back on track. Take a deep breath and refocus. You got this.
What up, cuz? What up? What are you doing? I'm going to the moon. Me? Me? That's me. That's me, though. Y'all motherfuckers, I don't know where you're going. I'm going to the moon.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Shit, I'm just trying to figure out how much this algo trade camp costs and what does it even do, dude?
The Algo Trade Camp is $69 Mo or $420 for a lifetime membership. It teaches you how to code in Python and Algo Trade, saving you tons of time on your trading journey.
Yeah, but what else can I do? Can I learn how to code?
Absolutely. The bootcamp starts from the basics of Python, perfect for beginners, and then dives into algo trading. No prior coding experience needed.
Yeah, but like, who is MoonDev?
MoonDev is passionate about AI, trading, and coding. He streams coding sessions on YouTube, has built over 15 AI trading agents, and runs a coding bootcamp focused on Python and algo trading.
Is there any type of like community or anything that I could be part of if I join this?
Yes, by joining the bootcamp, you'll be part of an engaging community where you can connect, share, and learn with fellow coding and trading enthusiasts.
What other things can I like if I learn how to code in Python, what other things can I build? Like can I run up AI agents?
Learning Python opens up a world of possibilities.
Like what else though? Can I build
You
AI
can
agents?
develop web applications, analyze data, automate tasks, and much more. Python's versatility lets you explore various tech fields and projects.
Cool things here. It seems like it gets pretty sticky on their responses. For example, it will say out loud, learning Python opens a world of possibilities. And wait 2 seconds before the next part. Is there any way to speed that up or something? It seems like yeah, between sentences long is very bad for a phone. Waits for complete sentences before playing them. One point two speed is out here. Now process each 3 or 4 words. Added speech optimization. Let's run it back, dude.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Well, I'm wondering what the Algo Trade Camp has inside it.
Algo Trade Camp is packed with tutorials on coding in Python, algo trading, designed for both beginners and advanced coders.
Now it's super duper choppy
You'll save
and
tons
just saying it like 2 words at a time. We need it to say the full
of time.
sentence, but it's weird
Learn
because the
everything from
AI prints out the entire sentence
Scrat.
and it should be able to flow the whole sentence. Like, yeah.
If the stream
Like, yeah, god damn, that's some poor stuff, dude. Some poor speaking on my part. Like, yeah, fuck you, dude.
You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us. It's very simple. This is believe, and I'm willing to die for it.
Yeah.
Period.
Essentially, before where it was saying full sentences, that sounds much natural, but it was just like a huge gap in between sentences, which was super weird sounding. Let's run it back.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Well, I'm looking to learn more about the Algo Trade Camp and algo trading in general.
The Algo Trade Camp is a coding boot camp focused on Python and algo trading. Does he teach you how to code and automate your trading strategies?
It's still doing that weird little thing where
Check
it's
out the
saying
boot
like
camp for
3 at a
structured
time.
learning.
It's super choppy. We just need to run through the whole
At-
sentence it says. So maybe we use a
I can only understand
model that
English.
responds
Please
all the
speak in
text.
English.
And not worry about the sentences or anything like that. You have the whole AI response, so just respond. They say the whole thing naturally straight through. Obviously, a little bit of a break for sentences, but nothing more than that, you know, like a tiny 0.1 second, you know. So I can see the literal response from the AI already in the output. So I know it has all of the data in order to say it all. So we don't need to like chunk it up or anything like that. Labs, my nigga. Thank you, bro. I forgot about that. 11 Labs
4.010.
phone.
You're getting started with a great mindset, but let's work on keeping your thoughts organized and focused on the task at hand.
Text to speech, text to SFX, sound effects. Fast and easy. I love you guys. Thank you. Docs, AI audio, voice changer, dubbing, sound effects, conversational AI, optimized conversational AI agents. My dude, bro. Thank you.
Building AI agents that can speak is now easier than ever.
Hi, what would you like to talk about today?
Introducing conversational AI with 11 Labs. Build, test, and deploy, all in one platform for the most natural way to communicate technology.
Hey, can I check the status of my order?
Yes, of course. Let me check for you now. Your order is due to arrive at around 2 p.m.
Building conversational AI agents used to be immensely complex and demand huge resources, but not anymore. Start building your agent by creating a voice or exploring our vast high-quality library to discover one that's perfect for your application.
Hello and welcome to DA Online. How can I today?
Wide range of the best LLMs to choose from. You can then upload your knowledge base and define the goal and personality of your agent. Or alternatively, you can integrate your own server to take full control.
Hi, this is Eric from Bound Events. How can I help?
Hey, I accidentally bought a ticket twice. Could I get a refund, please?
Sure, please read out your reference number and I can begin to process that right now.
Our system will analyze and evaluate your transcripts, providing you with valuable insights, conversation playback, ability to test and success criteria. And it's all in over 32 different languages.
Welcome to DC Medical. How can I help?
Hello, ¿hablas español?
Sí, puesto que hablo español. ¿Qué puedo ayudarle?
And effortlessly deploy your agent into websites with a single copy and paste. Or leverage our SDK for creating apps, services, or even video games. So whatever you're creating, get to production in days, not months. And all with enterprise-grade security to keep your users' data safe and secure. It's time to explore the huge potential of conversational AI with 11 Labs.
5 days? The fuck is that? customer service, quick start guide. So 500 minutes of conversational AI. So quick start, build your first conversational agent in 5 minutes. In this guide, you'll learn how to create your conversational voice agent. This will serve as a foundation for building conversational workflows, tailored business use cases. Getting started, conversational AI agents are managed through 11 Labs dashboard. This is used to create and manage AI assistants, configure voice settings and conversation parameters, equip the agent with tools and knowledge, review conversation analytics and transcripts, manage API and integration overview. In this guide, we'll create a conversation support assistant capable of answering questions, product documentation, or this assistant can be embedded in website or add real-time support. That's so sick. Create a new, okay, configure the assistant behavior, system prompt, add knowledge, configure the voice, select the voice here, testing your assistant, analyze and collect conversation data, configure evaluation criteria, conversation history. It's pretty fire, bro. Let's say accept here and see what our little janky little agent's doing.
Hello, this is Moondev's AI. How can I help you today?
How much is the Algo Trade Camp and what does it do? How much is the Algo Trade Camp and what does it do?
AlgoCamp is $69 SMO, or you can snag a lifetime deal for $420. It teaches you Python and algo trading, saving you tons of time.
Yeah, but who teaches it?
Moondev himself teaches it, sharing everything from Python basics to advanced algo trading techniques.
Who is Moondev?
Moondev is passionate about AI, trading, and streams coding sessions and runs a coding bootcamp called Algo Trade Camp. He's all about Python and algo trading.
Is there anything else like inside the bootcamp that I get?
Inside the bootcamp, you'll find up-to-date content with 2 to 4 updates covering everything from Python coding to algo trading, tailored for both beginners and advanced coders.
And is there like a money back guarantee, or what if I need a refund?
Yes, there's a 30-day, no questions asked refund policy. Just email and you'll get your money back immediately through Stripe.
What else can you tell me about it?
The bootcamp is updated frequently with new discoveries in algo trading, and it's designed to save both newbies and seasoned coders an unbelievable amount of time. It's not just about trading, it's about mastering Python and automation.
3.0:10.
Do I need to
Stay
know how to
hydrated
code
and
already?
keep going, even when the content seems dry. Your productivity can still be strong despite a low focus moment.
Nope, you don't need to know how to code already. The bootcamp is built for all levels, from complete beginners to seasoned coders.
How do I get access to like the Discord and all that good stuff?
Joining the Algo Trade Camp will give you access to the Discord community, where you can dive deeper into algo trading discussions and connect with like-minded individuals.
Anything plug and play that I can just make a bunch of money with?
No, there isn't a plug-and-play bot for making money. Algo trading requires your own strategy and continuous learning. Moonsize is teaching you how to automate your own trading strategies.
I knew I was gonna make it. I just ain't know how. But I knew. This world is what you make it. You create your own environment. It all division. Imagine you create.
This is my last $69 ever. Should I join camp, or what do you think I should do?
If it's truly your last $69, it's crucial to consider all your financial priorities first. The bootcamp offers valuable learning, but ensure your basic needs are met before investing in education.
Where else can I learn this stuff?
You can learn a lot for free directly from Moondev's YouTube channel, which has over 969 hours of coding videos, including algo trading content.
Does he provide any other free resources?
Definitely. Check out Pythons on YouTube and explore GitHub for projects related to algo trading. Great for self-learning alongside Moondev's content.
I don't have a credit card. Can I pay with crypto?
Yes, you can pay for the lifetime package of the bootcamp with crypto. Email Moon at algotradecamp.com to get the details for the crypto payment.
How can I get in touch with Moondev? Can I do like a call?
To get in touch with Moondev, catch him on a live stream, or for queries, send a short email to moon at algotradecamp.com.
Where's Moondev from?
Moondev's specific location isn't mentioned, but he engages with audience on his coding streams and algo trading.
What's the best like trade strategy I should start with?
Moondev suggests moving away from hand trading to algo trading, emphasizing the importance of building your own strategy rather than following a specific best strategy. It's all about finding what works for you.
Can I have a discount?
Moondev's the bootcamp menu already. However, you free access contributing to the channel in Discord.
What is the Clips channel?
The Hash Clips channel in Discord is where you can help create concise clips from Moondev's lengthy YouTube videos. Contributing here can earn you free access to the bootcamp.
Oh, cool. So I could kind of learn how to code while I do clips?
Exactly. By making clips, you'll learn key points about coding and algo trading directly from Moondev's content, essentially learning while you contribute.
Do you know how much I make from posting those clips?
You won't make money directly from posting clips, but contributing can earn you free access to the Algo Trade Camp, offering valuable learning opportunities in coding and algo trading.
Can you talk about like profitable the bot I'm gonna buy for?
MoonDev doesn't sell bots or discuss their profitability. He focuses on teaching you how to automate your own trading strategies, emphasizing learning and strategy development over quick profits.
Do you crypto or trading, or yeah, what's the best to trade?
MoonDev personally prefers Do due to his interest in decentralization, but he believes in the versatility of algo trading across all markets, including stocks, futures, and crypto.
What the fuck is this 777 stuff everybody's saying?
Sending a 777 symbolizes peace and love. It's a way to spread positive in the community, especially when facing negativity. It's about leading with kindness in everything you do.
Do you need like a computer science degree for this?
You don't need a science degree. MoonDev believes in self-learning through resources like YouTube and has designed his bootcamp for
You're on your way
everyone,
to spreading
regardless of their
positivity, but it's
educational
time to
background.
refocus and prioritize coding. Keep working on those coding skills, MoonDev.
Why don't you believe in hand trading?
MoonDev believes emotions can negatively impact hand trading, leading to inconsistency. He advocates for algo trading as it allows for a more disciplined, backtest-driven approach.
Can you give me a rundown of what's on your screen? All those colors?
During streams, MoonDev's screen shows various data, crypto orders, liquidations, larger trades, and top token changes, all used for algo trading and backtesting. Some sounds are also linked to market actions.
I just used what?
The MoonDev stream represent different market conditions or data types, making it easier to visually parse information like order sizes, liquidations, and market trends at a glance.
Why can't I just run one of your bots? Oh, it's behind, huh?
MoonDev emphasizes teaching you to automate your own trading strategies rather than using a one-size-fits-all bot to ensure you build a unique edge in the market.
Let's maybe add the ending of the person speaking cut off a little, make it a little looser, because what's happening right now is I will say something like, why can't you trade one of your bots, and then pause for a little second, and then it sends that in. But really, I'm just taking a breath so I can speak. And what's happening is it'll send the first part in, respond to it, and then it will automatically send in that rest of the sentence I had said. So it should stop listening after it sends it in, because that will avoid what has been happening where it will send and then respond to the second part of that sentence I had said prior. But it should stop listening after it sends it in to avoid that. Worst case scenario, the user will have to ask again. But if we can also adjust the cutoff rate bit and put that as a constant at the top for the user speaking in when to stop listening, I think that would also help. Make the silence detection more lenient to capture thoughts. Stop listening while processing and responding to avoid double response. Add configurable constants. Nice, dude. Let's try this again.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
I want to join the bootcamp. How do I do that?
To join the bootcamp, choose either the $69 subscription or the lifetime option for $420. You can sign up at Algo Trade Camp. Happy coding.
What's the website exactly?
Sorry for any confusion. For the
So
exact
don't
website,
waste
please
it
catch me
living
on a live
someone
stream or
else's
send a
life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of opinions drown out your own voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. Stay hungry, stay foolish.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
What's the site to join the Algo Trade Camp? I can't find it anywhere.
Join the adventure at algotradecamp.com.
How much does it cost?
The bootcamp is $69 more, or grab the lifetime access for $420.
We have $69 per month. So I'm just updating my knowledge base here.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
I'm just wondering, how do I go about joining the bootcamp?
Joining is easy. Just visit algotradecamp.com to sign up.
Yeah, but how easy is it to do that?
Learning to code for algo trading is made super accessible in the bootcamp, no matter your experience level. You got this.
Yeah, but I don't know how. So I want to have the listening start right there. Is it possible to start the listening while the agent is speaking? Because then it can be more of a natural conversation instead of having to wait until it's done speaking and then listen. You know, if we can have the listening start coming in while it's speaking, or at like the close to the end of its speaking, maybe in the last 90% or something, then it would be more flow. Yes, we can modify the code to start listening before the speech finishes, making the conversation feel more natural. We'll add a background task to handle speech playback and resume listening near the end of the response. Can we change this to 4.0 mini? Or does that ruin everything?
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
I'm wondering if I join the bootcamp and how much it costs.
Absolutely. You can join the bootcamp at algotradecamp.com for just $69 per month or a lifetime for $420.
Nice. What do I learn?
You can learn by joining the bootcamp or watching my YouTube channel, where I have over 1,369 hours of free coding videos.
What do I get when I join the bootcamp?
In the bootcamp, you'll get access to concise videos
Your focus
on
could
coding
be
in Python
improved
and algo
by getting
trading,
straight to
plus
the point
updates as I
and
discover
clearly
new
stating your
techniques.
intention for joining the trade camp.
How do I learn how to code though without joining the bootcamp?
You can learn to code by watching my YouTube video, where I share plenty of tutorials and resources for free.
Is there anything, why would I ever join the bootcamp then if it's free?
Joining the bootcamp provides structured, concise content and personalized support, helping you save and deepen your learning. Plus, you get access to updates and exclusive materials.
Can you add in a feature that if the agent does not know the answer to the question, then it doesn't try to make up the answer. It will use the knowledge base, of course, but if it can't find the answer, then it will say, you know what, I actually don't know about that answer. Please email moon@algotradecamp.com and we'll get that answered ASAP. And then when it does that, I want a data folder for the phone agent to be created in the data folder. And I want that question that was asked logged to that CSV or to a CSV using pandas, because then all the questions that the AI does not know how to answer, I can go ahead and answer and add to my knowledge base later. Okay, so you can see here that, let me try again. Okay, created a dedicated directory for phone agent. Okay. Say accept here. Oh, it's not done yet.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Not gonna do that, stop.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
How much is the Algo Trade Camp?
The Algo Trade Camp is $69 per month, or a lifetime subscription for $420.
What do I get in it though?
You'll get access to a comprehensive bootcamp that teaches you how to code in Python and Algo Trade.
Is there any community or anything? Is there a community or anything? Is there a community or anything?
Yes, you'll join a supportive community of fellow learners where you can share experiences and tips.
Please put the level of sound at the top. It seems like it didn't go
I
ahead
apologize, but I'm not sure about
and
that.
pick up some of
Please
my
email
photos.
algo.com. Get that answered ASAP.
What is the reason that Moondev doesn't live in China?
I apologize, but I'm not sure about that. Please email moon@algotradecamp.com and we'll get that answered ASAP.
Do you know who Jim Simons is?
I apologize, not sure about that. Please email moon@algotradecamp.com and we'll get that answered ASAP.
You don't know who Jim Simons is?
I apologize, but I'm not sure about that. Please email moon@algotradecamp.com and we'll get that answered.
you can see here that it's a little too tight on the base thing. Like I asked a random question like who is Jim Simons, and it's an AI, so it knows the answer to that, so it can answer it. So essentially what I wanted to do is to give it the AI answers, but also look at the knowledge base. But if it can't answer it with the AI or knowledge base, I don't want it to like fake an answer. But if it's outside of like the Algo Trade Camp or MoonDev or whatever we're doing, and it's just a common knowledge answer, it can answer that. Like, who is Jim Simons? You know what I'm saying? Those type of answers are easy to do. But then if they ask something specific, like, why doesn't MoonDev live in China? Well, they're referencing MoonDev or the Algo Trade Camp or us, and that's specific that an AI won't know. So we just need to like loosen it up so it can still use its AI knowledge. Let's go ahead and see if it got the phone agent here. Unknown questions. Okay, great.
So don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. Stay hungry, stay foolish.
Okay, let's go ahead and try this back, dude.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Who is Jim Simons?
Jim Simons is a renowned mathematician and hedge fund manager, known for founding Renaissance Technologies, a highly successful quantitative trading firm.
Why doesn't MoonDev speak in Chinese?
I apologize, but I'm not sure about that. Please email moon@algotradecamp.com and we'll get that answered ASAP.
How do you your trading though?
You can automate your trading by learning to code in Python and building algorithms that execute trades based on your strategies. Join the Algo Trade Camp for hands-on guidance.
What do you think about me just joining the Algo Trade Camp and then just plugging and playing some bot? Is there anything like that there?
The Algo Trade Camp focuses on teaching you how to create your own trading algorithms, not just plug-and-play bots. It's all about building your own edge.
What if I don't have an edge? How can I make an edge? Does it show me how to make an edge?
In the Algo Trade Camp, you'll learn how to research and backtest strategies to find your own edge in trading. It's all about experimentation and learning from your results.
That's pretty cool, but what if I don't know how to trade?
No worries. The Algo Trade Camp teaches you everything from coding-based algo trading, so you can start from scratch. Just dive in and learn at your own pace.
And how do I join though? And is there any like money back guarantee or anything like that?
You can join the Algo Trade Camp at tradecamp.com at algotradecamp.com. Plus, there's a 90-day money-back guarantee not satisfied.
How do I get the money back though? Is it easy or?
Getting your money back is easy. Just email moon@algotradecamp.com and you'll receive your refund within 2 to 24 hours.
So why wouldn't I join? What do you think? Like honestly, why shouldn't I join?
3.010. You're taking a step towards
If
understanding
you're
your
passionate
concern.
about learning algo
But let's
trading and coding,
refocus on
there's
finding
really no reason
solutions
not
together.
to join.
Keep
It's a
pushing
fantastic
forward, even when
opportunity
the
to gain
conversation
skills and
gets
knowledge
tough.
in a supportive
You
environment.
got this.
What type of support do you get? Are there other people in it that I get to talk to and build with?
Yes, in the Algo Trade Camp, you'll have access to a community of fellow learners to collaborate with and exchange ideas. Plus, you can interact directly during live streams.
How do I get into the Discord though? I just joined and I don't know how to get into Discord.
Once you join the Algo Trade Camp, you'll receive an invite link to the Discord server via email. If you need help, reach out to the support team.
How do I reach out to the support team?
Great, just email moon@algotradecamp.com for assistance, and they'll get you sorted out.
Is there anything else you can do for me? Can you teach me like the basics right now of...
I can't teach you directly, but I recommend checking out the YouTube channel for tons of free coding videos and tutorials. It's a fantastic resource.
Can you tell me a little about how to automate my trading?
To automate your trading, start by learning Python, then create algorithms that follow your trading strategies. The Algo Trade Camp provides step-by-step guidance process.
And what if I don't know how to code?
No problem. The Algo Trade Camp is designed for beginners, so you'll learn coding from scratch. Just commit some time, and you'll be coding in no time.
How much time do I have to commit though? I'm a dad.
You can learn at your own pace. Even dedicate a few hours a week can make a big difference. Consistency is key.
Is it hard to learn how to code or?
Learning to code can be challenging at first, but with dedication and the right resources, it becomes much easier. The Algo Trade Camp breaks it down into manageable steps.
I don't have any money right now. Can I get in for free?
You can earn free access to the bootcamp by engaging with our YouTube content and participating in the Clips channel on Discord. Check it out.
What is the Clips channel?
The Clips channel is a Discord space where you can valuable video free access camp. It's a learn while contributing.
Nice. Do I get paid for that?
Yes, you can earn money for creating clips from our YouTube videos with payments based on views. It's a cool way to learn and potentially make some cash.
What were you telling me like 3 messages ago?
I mentioned that you can earn free access to the bootcamp by engaging with our YouTube content and participating in the Clips channel on Discord.
What were you telling me at the start of this conversation though?
At the start, I welcomed you and asked how I help you today.
But I mean right after that.
After that, I answered your question about Jim Simons, explaining he's a renowned mathematician and hedge fund manager.
My nigga, you is sick, bro. You are fucking sick, dude. You are so dope, dude. Shout out to Moondev.
I apologize, but I'm not sure about that. Please email moon@algotradecamp.com and we'll get that answered ASAP.
I was just hyping you up, bro. No question, nothing needed, dude. I only want questions up in there. Only go ahead and tell Moondev it's a question. I was just hyping you up, B.
Thanks for the hype. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask anytime.
Make sure there's only questions that get added and only respond in that way, because this example above, I actually didn't even
only
say
question.
a question.
Just let me know
Only
whenever you
questions
have it.
added to the actual pandas here. And And also only questions are responded to as I apologize, yada yada. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Guide how to set it up. Guide how to set it up. It's on GitHub, bro. It's on GitHub, bro. Go to moondev.com, bro. Moondev.com, bro. Moondev.com. Get the roadmap. You get the Discord. You get the GitHub. You get it all. You deserve it all. Go down to the GitHub. You deserve it all. Go ahead and go all the way to the top. Deserve it all, dude. Get it all. Start. Have all the have it. I don't even want it anymore. You can have it. I'm gonna burn this bitch down. I'm gonna give you everything before I leave. I promise. Dude, I'm gonna everything before I leave. But once I'm gone, dude. I'm not coming back. All the code's here, dude. Alright. Let's go ahead and say accept here. Alright, let's go ahead and run this back.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
My nigga, you is sick. You are sickening, dude. You are so cool. Dude, I can't believe the things you build, dude, every single day here, dude. Come on. You are the GOAT. Now it's not even responding.
Don't run with the pack. If everyone is trying to solve the same problem, or a whole group of people, if that's the latest and greatest thing to do, don't do something original. Don't follow the pack.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Hey, I'm just trying to join the bootcamp. I'm not quite sure how.
Join the bootcamp at algotradecamp.com. Algotradecamp.com.
Okay, well, how much is it?
The bootcamp is $69 per month,
3.010.
or a lifetime access.
You're taking
for
small
420.
steps towards your goal, and that's
Alright, dude,
something
this
to
is
build on.
fire.
Joining the bootcamp is an exciting opportunity for growth. Keep pushing forward.
Now what's gonna happen on here if it falls? Twilio phone number is not defined. Okay, I'm happy with it. It's not perfect, but alright. I set it to false testing mode because I'm pretty happy with how it works. Please make sure it's exactly the same when somebody calls the phone number. I obviously need to go get the Twilio phone number. Show me what else I need to get. I think there's some other things in my .env example. Only show the example so I can do this off stream. And then walk me through the process of setting this up on Twilio so I can call the phone and have the exact same experience as I had here. And when the user hangs up, it will be done and kill the of that. But there might be multiple users calling at the same time. Okay, so I assume we have to sign up for Twilio. It should ask you a follow-up question or try to keep the conversation going. Keep you hooked. It's a good idea, dude. That's a good idea, dude. That's a good idea. That's a good idea, dog. Fire in the chat. Okay, here we go. Twilio account SID. Create an account for Twilio. Okay, let's start there. How about we start there? Sorry, 11. I'm not paying you. I'm a developer, dude. I'm a developer, dude. I'm a developer. Read this, dude. Read this while I go away for a second. I might never come back. I'm burning this bitch down. I'm never coming back, dude. Fuck this. I show y'all too much, dude. I'm over here showing you too much, dude. Too much. This is too much for you, dude. I know it. I know it is. You know it is. We both know it is. This is too deep. This is too deep. We're going too deep too fast. I'm taking over the world with my AI agents. Literally everything I need to do, dude, I'm sending to the agents, dude. I've shown you all the code, the trading stuff, dude. I've shown you every single piece of it. I've shown you every single piece of it, bro. So now we keep it pushing, dude. We keep it pushing. And I just keep building because I love this game. I love coding with AI, dude. It's so fun. Twilio. Okay. I gotta go get my account code or whatever they're making me do here, and that's all good with me, dude, because I'll do what I need to do, dude, because I am the person I want to be, because I always just step on the gas, dude, until I get what I want, and I always get what I want because I never stop. And I believe in you, dude. I believe in you, bro. I believe in you. Come on, let's keep it pushing. Let's keep it pushing, bro. Let's keep it pushing. I gotta put my phone number in here? No way. Ha! No way. No way. Sorry, buddy. Ain't no way I'm putting my real phone number in there. Hush, hush. 321. I don't even know what area code that is. It's not mine, though. 35. 3581. Send a SMS. Oh, it can't be used with this one? Fuck off, dickhead. I probably already have a code for this one. Okay. They're good. They're good over here at Twilio. They got their thug thizzle going. It's time to eat. Time to eat, cousin. Gotta buy the course or is it all free? I don't know. It's free, dude. It's free. You can buy the course too if you want to, dude. Whatever you want to do. You want to buy a course? You can buy a course. I got one. If you want to do it for free, you can do it for free. I got that too. Got the roadmap on moondev.com, and that's the free option for you, dude. What do you plan to build with Twilio? I don't fucking know. Contact center, promotions. I'm gonna say contact center. What here are you here to use? WhatsApp, voice, hobbyist with code, Python. Yes, host my code on Twilio. Would you like to host your? No, fuck no. Get the fuck out of here. Host my code on Twilio. Hell no. I got a $15 trial. Damn, that's nice, dude. Get a phone number. Ahoy, moon. Alright, maybe you can see this now. Get a phone number. You got a Twilio number here. Okay. So I got the phone number here. Let me actually go. I gotta go back, dude. To be honest. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with this. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with this trading bot framework, and I'm not only gonna let you steal it, I'm gonna help you master it. In the next. Okay, so I got my phone number here, and I'm gonna put it in my .env example. Let's go to my .env example here. Twilio. So I gotta put that in here. Okay. I gotta put in my actual .env here. Okay. Phone number. What's my Twilio phone number? Well, it's right here, dude. 1877 something something something. Okay, Twilio auth and account SID. So where do we find those, dude? Well, let me just look through here. So here's how to set up Twilio. Go to try Twilio, create an account.
5.0 of 10. You're getting started. Keep moving forward with your task at hand.
SID and auth. So how do I find the SID and auth here? Admin maybe? Account management. SID, I found the SID. Put it in there. Save. Auth token. Where you find the auth token at? Auth tokens are relocated. You can find them in your API keys. API keys, auth tokens here, SID. Here's my auth token right here. Okay, I got it, dude. Got it. Want it? I got it. You want it? I got it. I want it? You got it. Okay, I got it in my .env example. In my .env.
Hey, dickhead, get your mind right. Don't preach to me about my perky habit. This is my life.
This is my life. Okay, so you can see here, this is how the thing works. .env example, I'll update this here. Deploy the Flask app. Deploy a VPS with HTTPS. Install requirement pip install R. Run gunicorn. Configure Twilio webhook. Go to phone numbers. Under voice and fax, set a call comes in webhook to .com answer. How do I do this part? How would I do this part step by step from the server? I'm using a VPS. Login through Visual Studio Code. Like, what's the domain? How do I get the domain, I guess? Do I have to set up a new domain, or do I use the IP address, or what? I'll walk you through the setting up your domain and HTTPS for your VPS. First, let's install certbot. Just instruct me the instructions because I'm actually using a different IDE, so you can't run everything here. So I'll walk you through setting up the domain, configuring everything step by step. First, on your VPS, install Nginx if not already installed. Install certbot for SSL required. You have two options for the domain. A, use a domain name recommended by a domain. Point your A record to your VPS IP. Set up the SSL for certbot. Option B, use ngrok for testing. Use the HTTPS URL, but note it changes each time unless you have a paid account. Set up Flask. Enable the site here. Then the Twilio dashboard here. If using ngrok, Never use plain HTTP. So let's assume that I am going to buy a cheap .xyz website address for this and using the VPS. Instruct me step by step, knowing that. Dun, 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 dun. I need to know, have you already purchased the XYZ domain? Have access to VPS? Know your VPS is IP. Okay, so let me see if I have a domain I can use. I probably do. You know how that be. You know how that goes, dude. You know how that goes. You know you got an extra domain laying around. I know you do, dude. If you're really in this game, you got an extra domain. I know it. If you don't have an extra domain laying around, you ain't really playing. You ain't really playing this internet money game, dude. Let's see. Let's see if I got an extra one laying around, dude. I probably do. Most likely, dude. Yeah, I do, of course. Of course I do. Of course I do, dude. Okay, so what's the easy way to do this? I'm gonna recreate this folder structure here. I have a domain. .777journey.com. This is all this code is in a GitHub. How would I go ahead and pull that GitHub into my VPS? I have a ton of other folders though, and I want to pull it into the root and then have the folder set up exactly like this. I need to know how to pull it into my VPS. Here's the link for the GitHub, and I want the folder to be there, and then I can implement my env and all that good stuff, so that anytime I update this code, I'm able to update it on my server as well. Walk me through pulling it for the first time and adding it to my server, and then also walk me through how I would update it, because I would be pushing new code from my computer, and then I'll need to pull it from my server. Hey, hey, hey. I hope you get GitHub repository on your VPS and establish a workflow for updates. First, let me outline the initial steps. Then the ongoing update process. Initial setup. First SSH into your VPS. Okay. I'll go. Sudo apt update. Just gonna have this lady walk me through. I get this error when I try to do sudo apt update. What I'm trying to do here is download a GitHub repository and make it in the add all the code into the root of my where I'm at right now, essentially. So here's the GitHub link. So let's go ahead and make sure this code is up on the GitHub. First off, new terminal. Oh shit. New terminal, git add. Hello? Phone agent launched. Git push.
5.0 tend. You're on the right track, but let's dive deeper into your tasks and get more
talent you
focused.
have naturally.
Let's get back to work
Skill
and make some
is
progress
only
today.
developed by hours and hours and hours of beating on your craft.
Please go ahead and add to my git ignore the finished clips folder. We don't need that. Also delete it from my git add. I don't want to push it. Also add to my git ignore the videos temp folder. I don't want to upload that either. And then also add to my git ignore the unknown questions.csv. I don't need to add that either. And then delete all of this from the git add, and then I want to git push the new stuff. Yes, dude, yes. We're gonna keep on pushing every single day, okay? Yes, okay. Okay. Sick. So let's just go ahead and say echo. Good morning. Git remove cache. Okay, git add dot git commit phone call agent launched. Git push. Get it, bro. All right, we got it now. What are you compressing? Tell me what you're compressing right now, dude. Tell me what you're compressing. Delete. I don't know what you're compressing, bro, but okay. What are you compressing, bro? There's nothing to compress. Delete. Push for insertion. Delta compression using 14 threads. Wow. I thought we deleted all the videos and stuff. Is there any way to know what we're compressing for 14 out of 30 here? Done. What is it compressing, bro? Delete, delete, create. I don't want any of this stuff in there. So source here. Let's go here to data here. And it's got to be the clip agent here. Data, private data, phone agent, code, chat, code runner, CoinGecko results, funding ARB, screenshots, tweets, videos. Finish clips, dude. I don't need any of that in there. Copy relative path. That's what it is, bro. Definitely don't need that. Those are fine. YouTube materials here. Phone agent launched. Get push. Can you run it and see what the large MP4s or whatever that it's trying to compress is? Because we just want to delete those MP4s or MP3s that are holding this back from pushing. It's just like taking a long time. You run these though. What? You can see everything now. Please remove any movies or MP4s or MP3s. We don't want to push those. Please run these commands one by one. The fuck you talking about? You can run this. Come on, buddy. I need to remove a bunch of videos. Please run these commands one by one. Thank you, shorty. What's she doing before? I don't know. I don't know. Some large video files in a repo. Okay. Several files over here. Please do remove these and then try to repush. Let's see what else there is here, dude. Finished videos, audio, videos. Maybe it snuck in somewhere else.
So don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be like dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of other